how to use booking.com flight search feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your booking.com application or your website. And then on the top tab, you want to simply go ahead and select your booking.com or flight tab. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply choose if you want a return, one-way or multi-city flight. And then you can choose your departure and arrival. And you can simply go ahead and choose your date and how many adults are coming, and if it is economy, business, or first class. And then you can simply go ahead and explore all the flights regarding with their prices as well. You can play around with the price range on the filters if you want to. Select the flight that you want, click on continue, enter your details like your name, your date of birth, last name, nationality, and many more. You can also simply go ahead and choose seat selections and meals if you want to add more baggage kgs. And if you're done with it, simply go ahead and confirm your payment and your flight will be booked. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.